For Ghana Sem TV GH, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded. For yanua bi abet serious warning to the clergy Ghana. Obeti warning. Now, according to yanua no, she believes she has the right to do that. And the reason being is, according to her, now you're Muslimini. Mamin Nekasao. So now you're Muslimini. She was a Muslim before converting to Christianity. And so Onono was experiencing life as a Muslim, and now she's experiencing life as a Christian. Now I'll say, because of those two experiences she has had, no, she thinks, looking at how some pastors say, some members of the clergy are carrying themselves, are disrespecting the very calling, the very office they are holding. I say a high calling and a high office now. Nobody has a right to say, and I think that she's right. Because to be fair, all along, at least in the Fourth Republic, we've had a leadership of Christians. Now, when you have people like our current president, you see what you're suffering. You see what you're Christoni. And it's Christ that says, give what belongs to Caesar, and what belongs to God. And it's a fire or minus sika. How they could sit down, sorry, dying, Emma won't come sorry. We are Christoni. Meanwhile, somebody wanted to build in the open for all denominations under Christianity. You see the view. No, the how bad here. How about times can I could see sorry. Is that Christianity? Is that the essence of Christianity? Is that a place where Christ will reside? I doubt. And you know, in some my course recently, road contract, I babon to say, Moamushe, potholes I call Philly Crano, a scanner, a boy, didn't say, Eddie SNA, shall be a coin from scratch crack. How different is that? What has really been the impact? And some way, somehow, it becomes invalid. Say, we want to push the religious card to disqualify Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Yeah. Because it's more about what the person is bringing to the table than the religion. Yeah. I don't know how I can say Bawumia now a Muslim, he does not qualify to be a vice president. As vice president, though he's a Muslim, you people were inviting him to church activities and he was honoring it. You people were inviting him to the sense, Sam George, Crawford, say Bawumia is a religious prostitute. He showed you the tolerance level, religious tolerance level. Ghana ha. And Ghana had we don't know, say we are Muslim, we are Christian, we are all Ghanaians. And to this end, they started this sort of say evil agenda to bring separation amongst us. Oh, we are saying, we are saying. I'm free so now we are Kramoni, we are Christoni, we are Kramoni, we are Christoni. All because of votes. All because of votes. So now you hear Ghanaians, discerning Ghanaians now coming out to start giving warning. Like the way this lady has done, which we are going to listen to. Before then, Moamunim say, Media Assembly betu mani. about your studio. Person your movie free. We me single room muna meet you. A single room. The mpano ani and I made a corner we mo every year we juma go for nam. And sometimes also go for more around almost over MPP ni. And it's not really too good. Can say my landlord say to me sorry na or catch me say or NDC ni rent not me too much anyhow because me MPP in India na media hands here ejuma in India enti na yesi na crofo bi so am person be join kana sem no na yem boa MPP right but yeah omutumi ba me dem de bia sa right one some mini private
na twansen wo ani a wontimi ni biem aden bone ben omanya yetim omanya yetim na president a wo se obi die ontimi nyandie enti wo be control niema ma niema yeye no enne mom na niema no kura agensemu esei aden enti wo be sa abaye na so biem ese yensa nkoto abansa mfama mu biem ana mo be sa abankofo na so biem abagitumi biem
na wrap up
aden boni ben na mame fa nkwa agya sare so ye papa agya sare nanka me minim se wo de atentrene na ye adwuma because me de bia me ka se wo ye nyame nipa e se wo de atentrene ye adwuma na wo de boa magana etumpon fa Sam George amani bunkotodwe egu ni tiri so anonte oil me pa acho na ye nchira na wo shira no ana na ye dome because sisi obaye no sisi tumi ni kuta no ntimi nye enti dia na wo ka kire Sam George se wonye e dia ba asem na wo ka kire Sam George because Ghana mema no omuturu mu nyina se yo enko focus omudi omuturu turumudie no omunya ye ene yesi sa turumudie na ye di tu na nadu danko akufado mu campaign ya me di tu na nadu danko akufado yesi anya ni na ye Ghana eye ehi asem na embom anya ni na ye focus enti sisi eni efa turumudie sam ne ntonchen ama mu asofo amu esese mu ka bi ewo mu mo nso makama no atum ana maye din na mo hwe mu aye din ana ene mesei Samo asofo samo ansori ama mekasa anka nkyere Ghana fo ampa bibia anka nkyere Ghana fo amepa na adeda nkwa akufo ado achew ene wona a okeka ho achew a mo nso to agrada pa ne bedwudwase mutirim nso to agrada ne bedwudwase mutirim because mo ye nya atwoma asofo mo ye pesami nkum nya asofo because Ghana ya na adeda nkwa akufo ado amesese sika na amfa amamu se mo nko amu nje na mundi anintira mu gina so na mo ye sankwase ade no eye mo ade ne de kire na nadu danko akufo ado anka me hu ye anka sofo anka mo de atentrene mo de anka bible ni nti anka mo de pepepe ye adwuma en obi by Sam George by wontimi nya hwio en Sam George by Sam George na wo sira no e fa ye kan se turumudiefo nwosem no en turumudiefo na nya ayu eda so koso e de ba asem na mo ka kire om aya mo nwene munwene o man no ho because o man ne bo a enkofo ntimi metena wa asore dan anim o so o man ne sey enkofo ntimi metena wa asore dan anim e ma wontimi nje collection no chese collection ni na hia mo enye nipa e wasafo ni mu na hia mo sa safo ni se collection ye de be ma o ama wodi na se nipa na anye ye kura wo pe me bo a
okay Hope
Mame that's nyame adome ho ye pa mjidi so obi a ho ye
yes what mo bia o mpacho yenko
yere nyame
me so wudna hold on me pacho so wudna live so na wo repost live na me so be repost ya mame wo betimi a share so dia ma afofo o wo gift bi so ati me de cheye why me da ma say Hope me pacho yenko
okay na me de pan say we Wednesday bono on say Wednesday for ne de ye come bet ya na ye mpesisie ade a friend sisie ye jigade a na
be a very
na no ehye oh okay me shamen no me pese me comment about two pressing issues first of all let me talk about the galamsey. You see sometimes it's a Ghana what can say would nsɛm bi akyi a wanhwɛ a respect kora de respect no wanhwɛ a womfa ma wo bi mpanyinfoɔ ni bi kora mpo wɔ Ghana. Seriously, because say yɛhwɛ nsɛm a yɛtee no during the previous administration about Galamsey, even ebra na aban n'ani abre, Operation Vanguard, Operation Hot, deɛ ba ade pa na NPP aban anyɛ sɛ nkɔm de betu Galamsey ase. Nanso yɛnya nkɔfoɔ bi te sɛ Mr. Kwaku Buahemu a mutimi sa kɔ Galamsey site kɔ ka kyerɛ nkɔfoɔ sɛ monto ntia NPP na sɛ yɛyɛ ba yɛbɛma ma yɛ Galamsey. Yɛni Ghana ha. And NPP losing most of the Galamsey areas in 2020 election.
Yeah.
Because of more fighting against Galamsey. And ye nyam panyifo omo so omo nimu nyansa, se nyansa wo omo trim, aban ekutia Galamsey no, all because of power, political power nti. Omo tisi omo echi kwa kachira omo say, and ye muntunti omo na ye de eba ebema ma ye Galamsey. And then look at what is happening. Enti President Mama oka say Galamsey no, wunim say no, wa nko for ya ewo mu bia. Before no, na wunim saadie we. Na wunim saadie we, but because of political power mugu nkofo animu ase wo Ghana ha, ekeka nsem hunu nsem a eni kwan sesabi, obi kura ka kire ni nua mo ka kire nipa wo Ghana ha Ghana. Ema nipa ka se eni aban ne nyaade eni yentunti ano ne yentoma mo na mo de mo ba mo be ne emaye. Sami Jamfitimi ko gina nsuo ho, e di nsuo gu bottle mu, TV stations so nyina na e di nsuo gu bottle mu e ba be ye experiment. Eba be showcase exhibition mankofo hu sampa Galamsey ekoso. E kama na ye said the president at that time as on one kasa ni feature kura yetu Galamsey. Ade na ye hu sa. Ene wokọ waba no afede ye hu sa nkofo. But the funny thing is that all of a sudden it looks as if say chama wuntumi nko na ye Galamsey a wase asase. As all of a sudden the only campaign o ye Galamsey sisi chama wuntumi. Ena ye twe na bo so ye freezing account ye ni say ye de ne court ye de ne ba say aba Ghana aba enti say ne nkade mu ye isenka ye no krese NPP chama huntumi na ne Galamsey wo ye ne kese ne senka Galamsey nka stop it ene nka wo senka Galamsey nka stop it by now because nipa na mususu so mo na ye Galamsey say nsu akese no ene chama huntumi ma freezing ni bibia ade che onam court ade che onam ha but still Galamsey gusu a ekoso
ni mobile money account kro maji
ja areho and in a devastating mode. I said say no grad gala omo boosti because me youth na so be catch them say me to abentia previous administration na me oba oba mama ya me the vim na ekọ and they say Galamsey for no kro mo ye Galamsey omo wa akukuduro kra che militaries ne tax force aye dem omo so omo nkuntia Galamsey omo wa akukuduro because aban ni show omo kutupa. And Ghanaian youth at this time, no, I say, no crentino, we are calm, we are quiet, and you have some quasiadio in a coso. And I still na Galamsey Niguswa a coso. But it's fine. No, we are watching, and I may bra penny dantes kind. I say, I buy na and I say, Obedia brutri for any. Na yeshe, yeshe. They say, omo the airport infrastructure levy in Swaba. Airport infrastructure levy. It's okay. Na ubera kasi wuntia. Setu ya ne de. Uchu mutain.
obaga na dia bechi
Ubetia. Ohun untimi nka se wuntia. But yen hwa de. Yesi electronic transaction levy 1%. Eno se one seniska through mobile wallet wuntia. Eno
America be Ghana no kwa no o pese wo send iska na wuntia. It's 1,000 Ghana pesos send away you 10 days every day we have send it 100.
Yes. Yes. But yenya tibon kosofo bi mo mo kasa nsem hunu tantantan it's a previous administration. And na so mo ko 1% levy eko and ye wo fuel levy 1 cedi. Upe fuel levy affect obia across Ghana. E affect obia untimi noje. Electricity tariff ne water tariff ade aye increase. E affect obia.
Yeah.
But it looks as if say Ghanaians are okay with that because we believe say yesremini netiso onya kani until we are okay. We believe say events are many in the government until we are okay. Yanka ho asem. It's fine. We are all watching. Na yembra LGBTQ nsem no so. Look. Debi amekasa sofu bi Ghana. I think say it's hard time we even stop talking about them. because they make people more annoyed. They are so annoying to the extent say nsɛm ni bia omo keka no nanu bi na hwɛ nneɛma omo reactions this time it looks as if say I say excuse my words I say they are out of their senses. Esi den asɔfo timi bɛka kyerɛ yɛ say yɛnto aban bi to so onye nneɛma yie LGBTQ was a compulsory by force or sign ɔma ne bɛyɛ mmra na enam so ma wa asɔre makora wutimi gina asɔre manim ye campaign di tia sa aban no na ne sa aban na free so but your so called angel na wo born ni chidoma ne baaye no up to enne ontimi nka ho hwe enne kora de wa ba ne say enye pressing issues enti afa no mu hu say enye pressing issues before no mu nim say enye pressing issues before no mu nim say there are a lot of things to tackle and sana no omudi bodawro Sam George ankojina platform to say woto abama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne nepo a vote for trumu Sam George anka
Okay.
Malik Basinteli a young politician wa anka sa asem no o kan sa asem no and yet nipa follow sankofo we koto abadi ti NPP enne oba be ka kire say enye de hia ye no what the heck enye de hia ye no before na ye de hia but this time now wo ba ye ne de upompo wo boa eye de hia ye no and omupompo we will push them until they think right na sa bill no sign omupompo de na ewu ma no mo pese previous administration sign no omupompo be sign and then asofo no they should show their hypocrisy and they should bow down their heads in shame omu to no ma eni kwan krasen ko mutimi kasa biem kiki eni kwase ye to aba makramoni mum premier nto aba makramoni because Ghana ye a Christo so man a Christo for mine any a Christo so mine which part of the Bible naturally say we should be hypocrite towards each other. Bible no him fan naturally say we should be fair to some people, we should not be fair to some people. Bible no him fan naturally say. But they are okay because they put them on boards. Omu disika nyafu left and right. They are eating, they are enjoying. So whatever the Ghanaian citizen faces, they don't care.
Yeah.
And it's okay. It's okay. They should keep on. And Nyankopon hatasro woshe. Or show mo ade bi omo ye bia wo benya ho akatua e bia na anya wo e bia na wo ba e bia na anya wo ba e bia wo nananom. God is watching them. Kofi Oduro mo kikan basa. Archbishop Duncan Williams, a respected man na nka nipa dodo na jiwudi a respect we say and sema wo kan the national no reaction. Why are we doing this? Is it because say some kind of hatred for some particular people or Ghana na? It's a question to answer on another day. What you know who I want to say?